Join me as I take on the challenge of talking openly about men's mental health and breaking the stigma that surrounds it. Men's mental health is a topic that needs to be discussed, and it's about time we start having open and honest conversations about it. For far too long, men have been expected to be strong, silent, and stoic without showing any signs of vulnerability or weakness. But the truth is, men struggle with mental health issues just as much as anyone else, and it's time we break the stigma surrounding it. One of the biggest challenges men face when it comes to discussing mental health is the societal expectation of masculinity. From a young age, boys are taught to be tough, to not show emotions, and to never cry. This can lead to a sense of shame and embarrassment when they do experience emotions, making it difficult for them to open up and talk about their struggles. Additionally, men are often seen as the protectors and providers, making it hard for them to admit when they're not okay. Another challenge men face is the stereotype that they're not supposed to be vulnerable or emotional. This can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness, as they're not sure who to turn to or how to express themselves. Moreover, men are often socialized to be competitive and independent, making it hard for them to ask for help or admit when they need support. The pressure to conform to these societal expectations can be overwhelming, leading men to internalize their emotions and struggles. This can result in serious mental health issues such as depression and anxiety, which can have severe consequences if left untreated. Depression and anxiety are common mental health issues that affect millions of men around the world. These issues can manifest in different ways, such as feelings of hopelessness, lack of motivation, and difficulty sleeping. If left unchecked, they can lead to more severe outcomes, such as substance abuse, relationship problems, and even suicide. It's crucial that we recognize the signs and symptoms of these issues and encourage men to seek help when they need it. Personally, I've seen the devastating effects of mental health issues in men. I've lost friends to suicide, and I've seen loved ones struggle with addiction and depression. I know that men's mental health is not just a personal issue, but a collective problem that requires a collective solution. By talking openly about our struggles, we can create a safe space for others to do the same. So what can we do to create change? Firstly, we need to recognize that mental health is just as important as physical health. We need to start having open and honest conversations about our struggles without fear of judgment or rejection. We need to create safe spaces for men to talk about their emotions without fear of being seen as weak or vulnerable. And most importantly, we need to support each other without condition or expectation. It's time for us to take a stand and create a movement around men's mental health. It's time for us to break the stigma and start talking openly about our struggles. It's time for us to support each other without condition or expectation. By doing so, we can create a world where men feel empowered to talk about their mental health without fear of judgment or rejection. To summarize, men's mental health is a critical issue that needs to be addressed. We need to break the stigma surrounding it and start having open conversations about our struggles. By doing so, we can create a safe space for men to talk about their emotions without fear of judgment or rejection. Thanks for watching, and I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on men's mental health in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on mental health awareness, and let's work together to create a world where men feel empowered to talk about their mental health.